something in this friggin' thing. Okay, so we are going to, today our mission is to weld the diff in the Lincoln. Let's grab the keys and see what we can do. Hey bud, I've got a mission for us today.
What is our mission, Brett?
We're gonna weld the diff. So Frey's on his way over. He wanted us to get it up on the lift and get it all set up for him.
So like on his way, so like an hour?
He said he was leaving work and he's heading here.
Okay, so 2 hours.
So 2.5 probably. Getting a little upgrade today. Oh, by the way, 508 stickers are still available. Ooh, that is some gross stuff right here. Ew. Today's like the first nice day we've had in a minute, so. Oh, come on, dude. I feel like this has just become like an everyday thing at this point. Oh. All right.
Ad game that was like, what are you filming me right now?
So much rust.
Talking to myself.
You're like, big gum,
I
man.
was like, I've been doing dumb thing, big build on man, you big gum man, take a bolt off, big
you
gum
need,
man.
you need a big bowl, man? Take a big. Hey, Fred. Dude, what do you think? What do you think about welding the? I was gonna come flying out at me.
Let me see this.
Oh,
I'm gonna try it today.
Motorhome, Pontiac.
Not tonight.
save it for another day.
Okay. Be like, have you ever seen that video?
Shut up, Doug! You should have saw him ripping at this thing with the Ingersoll Rand tray. It was the funniest thing ever.
Inger who? What?
Hold on, wait. I gotta do something really quick.
It's alright, it's okay.
I gotta do something really quick because I'm really lazy and I don't feel like editing. Alright, this is just because I'm lazy and I really don't feel like editing.
Impact gun, socket span.
Impact gun throwing wrench. I got it.
There we go. That looks better.
That was
What was that?
On a 1-inch gun. This dude put this a wrench. What was that? 13/16
on a fucking
on a 1-inch gun, and fucking sent it.
What do you think of our brand new fresh tires that we just put on? What do you want?
It's like 0 gear oil in here. What's about the gear oil? About what's about to happen.
Dude,
It's hot. That's RTV on.
That's what I ate for breakfast this morning. So we need RTV and we need
Yeah.
I have
brake-
RTV.
and we
but-
need brake clean and we need
Oh wait, well if you can get.
No, we'll take air to it. You got a compressed air little
Air does.
Yeah.
So it sprays you in the face.
yeah, it's good.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
It's gonna dry when you spray air.
He's back. That's why I drank.
I'm not married. Hey, can you get this gasket stuff off?
I need a razor blade.
Son of a!
What's the latest video? Now.
What's that noise?
Yeah, why is it leaking
Oh.
here? I had my finger in the hole.
Oh, my bad.
Oh. No! What's gonna happen first? I'll cut myself or.
Then you'll get brake clean and axle fluid in it.
What'd you drop in there?
Razor.
Because
Oh.
the oil smells terrible. Going back.
What is that?
Where's his hair going, man?
Oh god, I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know, dude. I'm
Show him
good.
his hair growing.
No. No.
Got a camera in his hand. I'm not gonna show him my hair growing back.
Yeah.
Safe. You know, it's you living life on the lines using a chrome socket, but Corey, you're the one that taught me this. The ultimate badass thing is use a chrome socket. So I figure.
That's how you get the ladies.
Yeah, but I figure the way to like make them just go. Oh! Use an adapter on another adapter on chrome on.
Today. Disconnect the battery.
What?
Look at this guy flapping his boots, dude. For style, when you're off of work, you untuck them. I gotcha. Daddy's gotcha.
Daddy's got you.
Both boots, see?
Milk daddy.
Smell. Are we there yet? I didn't even notice it's shitting contaminant anyways. You guys want this done or not? I thought the goddamn RAM was blowing up. I was gonna say, I gotta do it again then. What are you doing, man? Why am I staring right at the light? I can't help it.
That's for the watch. It's a different.
Oh.
I learned that in school. I learned how to back into a parking spot and don't look right at the welder. You have sandpaper eyes. Boy, if I had to deal with a fucking burn before I go to Florida, I fucking swear to God, I'll burn your fucking car down. I'm fucking dead serious. Eat my ass. I mean, we gotta cook it first.
Hey, it works.
Seal it off with our ultra black. Are we allowed to say that?
Oh wow.
You know what's gonna stick? My fart in your nose I just did. Come on, stop moving it!
So for the past, not to bring it up, but for the past 4 episodes we've done with this thing, at the end of every video it breaks.
It's already broken.
You want me to break it, is what you're saying?
I don't want you to break it, but
I haven't even driven the fucking thing. Hey, the last episode didn't break.
exactly it didn't, which means that it's going to catastrophically break now.
It's gonna shoot a CV axle straight through. Quality.
You know, why didn't you just JB weld it?
That's what I said. Quick steel. You see that stuff that has like the quarter stuck in it at AutoZone? Out and die. Okay. It rolled over like a fish overfed in the fish bowl. Bathtub and almost drowning to death.
No names mentioned.
That's why I didn't say anything.
What's that?
Oh,
Rich. That's cool. Look, flip trick. We rolled the whole thing. We got one bolt on, dude. It's fine. The wheel's not gonna last as long as the bolt. So.
do you want to try a skid first? You guys definitely cooked something from welding it. Now traction control says check traction control. There's no turning it off, it just says check it. There we go.
Wow.
Probably won't stop. We're gonna leave 9.
Dude, so it's funny because I took Frey for a ride, and I couldn't get it to drift like at all.
That's what happened to me. I
Yeah.
had to like wiggle it to get both tires.
Now it's
What do you do?
Like you drifting, and then me like teaching you how to drift. But I'm like, okay, just do it like this, do it like this, and then start screaming like everyone else, and then have like Frey driving his truck in front of us. Get this asshole out of the way!